I am not really feeling well today. I have allergies or something. So I'm not gonna be showing my face, at least for today, maybe tomorrow. And this will be like maybe halfway done. But so today I'm gonna be working on these roller skates that I've had for like 4 or 5 years, and I have not worn them or anything. So yeah, I am going to be painting them so that I could sell it now, or at the, I think I'm gonna like you know, sell it at the show that I have coming up. We'll see. I'm trying to make a good video on it, on the process, so that maybe someone would want it, you know, before that. And then yeah, but I need to come up with stuff to sell. Yeah, and yeah, thank you for being here. I wiped it and cleaned it a little bit, and now I'm going to be gessoing it. Yeah, should I or should I not? I don't know. I think I'm gonna just use gesso with the paint, because I don't know. First, I'm going to outline my designs with pencil. Let's see if that works. So right now it's a little bit late, but we're getting started. I think I'm gonna paint this like background in this purple paint, because I don't know, I think white is just too plain for these shoes. So I'm gonna paint in this now. I think I'm going to erase the letters, and then we'll go from there. If I want it again, I'll just paint it again, maybe in a different way. So we'll see. So so this is the day before. Well, this is Sunday right now. Apologize for that glare. There's a difficult thing about filming at night, but yeah, I'm gonna try my best to get this to look all right. So you can kind of see the red, how it's looking in real life is kind of like how this corner is looking like, and these as well. So now I'm actually going to turn this building into like a light blue building, and then it's going to have kind of like a medical bill hanging on that. And then yeah, we'll see if we get to this also. But yeah, I'm still not sure what I'm gonna do with the two people back there. I might change the color, we'll see. But yeah, this is it so far. I'm really liking it, and I can't wait to continue. I'm gonna be working on the building. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm just painting, and I just had to come on and like be like, I just had this thought, like, it's crazy because I did a previous sketch on this painting, right, and the building was red. That's why it's kind of red now. But and then I still decided to change it. So If you plan out things in life, that doesn't mean you're not going to like it if things change. You get me? It might be better if it changes and stuff like that. So I don't know. I was just thinking about that, and yeah, just painting. I don't know, sometimes I have more to say, other times not really. I just like to observe and think about stuff. I've always been that way, I don't know. I'm just a natural introvert, and I feel like it's hard being an introvert in a extrovert like type of society. You kind of, you know, it's very difficult to, I guess, get opportunities without without like networking and stuff like that, right? And going out and all this stuff is very hard. But I don't know, I'm just keep doing me. I'm gonna really try to get into more art shows and stuff. And that's what I'm praying for this year, finishing these new works and getting into finally like physical exhibits with people, learn with other artists, grow with other artists, you know. And I feel like that'll just be really an amazing thing that I would be able to accomplish in life. And hopefully we're all looking back at this and I have, you know, done that. I've made it to these bigger shows and exhibitions, and people are buying my work and, you know, supporting me on a grander scale and in the art world, like being known and recognized, being known and respected for my work, for my originality and my uniqueness. That's what I hope. Yeah, I've been scared, like being myself and really like not with other people, not with people that are close to me, but like to the world. You feel me? So it still be hard, but we're getting there, and we're learning how to be better communicators, whether that be spoken or speaking versus you know, creative expression through how you react in your everyday relationships and friendships. It's all a crazy ride. And my mind went somewhere else. But yeah, just continuing painting this. I want this to definitely be a little bit more realistic, so I'm just going in and kind of like, because it's like a clear like building is supposed to be. So yeah, it does have to have some red though, so that it can look like it's reflecting. I just thought of that. So, but that'll be after. Hopefully I remember. Yeah, I'm gonna just put like this so I remember. Yeah. Because then I'm gonna forget it. Or I'm gonna put white actually. I have been sneezing all day. I have allergies here in Florida. I don't know why or how. Shout out to all my people with allergies though. I haven't gotten in like years. But yeah. We'll see, guys. We'll see what's up. We'll see what happens. Wish me luck. Yo, I'm low-key. I got some rhymes. I've always liked writing. As if you don't know, I have a poetry. I have poetry book. It's called Espejo Caribeña de Caona. Dichos de la Soñadora. Meaning Caribbean mirror of gold. Caona is gold in Taino dialect. I write in Taino, Naiki, English, and Spanish. And I actually am gonna come out with an English version. I'm probably gonna work on that while I'm in Puerto Rico, and so that I could publish that and make it available. Cause yeah, I realized that if you don't know Spanish, you definitely won't. It's like more for that first version was more intended for, like, you know, more for people that know Spanish and English and are, you know, in the diaspora. And yeah, so it's just, yeah. So I have that, I have the poetry book, and I've always loved writing songs too growing up. So yeah, I definitely sing and stuff. I love to sing, and hopefully I get to share that with you guys soon. And see, you know, what you guys think. And we'll see. I don't know, I'm just gonna start putting different stuff out. You know, I'm an artist, I'm a multidisciplinary artist, and I want to be real with myself and with everybody else, and just everything that I am proud of, I'm gonna be sharing, you know? So, and of course, not to like not to like ignore the bad stuff, obviously, but like, you know, the artist shows what they feel, so not what is right, you know. So yeah, I am thankful for you guys. Thank you so much for being here. This is probably gonna be the end of the voiceover, because yeah, no one's rushing me with this painting, but I really want to get it done because, again, I want to start having that portfolio, that consistent portfolio that can get me into shows and get more recognition. But again, it's not about recognition like that. It's just you want people, again, to communicate with your work. And that's essentially communicating with me, you know? So that's all I want: community, love, respect, empathy. And yeah, hopefully that is what all you guys, I know that's what all you guys want too. So Taino ti, tai gui, tai karaya, tai guaitiao. Until next time, peace and blessings, and Taino ti.